Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle on a Kia Sorento. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver for various fasteners. A small pick tool or a trim removal tool will be very helpful for prying delicate plastic pieces without causing damage. Of course, have your new door handle assembly ready to go. Now, let's move to the interior of your Sorento. Begin by carefully prying off the small plastic cover located behind the interior door handle. This will reveal a screw. Next, locate and remove all visible screws holding the door panel in place, often found in the armrest or door pull. Once all screws are out, gently unclip the door panel from the door frame, working your way around the edges. With the door panel removed, you can now access the old handle's mechanism. Reach inside and carefully disconnect the rod or cable that connects to the interior handle. Next, locate and unscrew any mounting bolts or screws that secure the exterior handle to the door frame. Once these are loose, you should be able to carefully slide the old exterior handle out of its position from the outside of the door. It's time to install your new door handle. Carefully insert the new handle into the exterior opening, ensuring it sits flush. From the inside, reconnect the rod or cable to the new handle's mechanism, making sure it's securely attached. Finally, reattach the door panel by aligning the clips and pressing it firmly into place. Secure all screws you removed earlier and test the new handle's operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.